Good afternoon. Well, no coffee today because I've had my quota. Yeah, let's have a look at the paper mache because I'm quite excited to maybe think about starting to paint the actual paper mache that I've done so far. Let's have a look. So it feels absolutely dry, not even spongy. So I'm going to go out on a whim and just paint it. Just the paper mache to protect it. Yeah, 100%. It's an experiment, but it's worth that. So I'm going to stick you on the tripod and get the paintbrush out. Let's start painting this paper mache at last. Yay! Right, I'll get all the tools and I'll be back. Exciting stuff at last. Painting the shed. Well, starting to. By no means going to finish it today, that's for sure. And we're only painting the paper mache. Give it a bit of extra protection because I think it is raining tomorrow. So I really want to make sure it's all right. And it will help identify any gaps, which I might use sealant for because that'll have a bit of flexibility. Nice. It's going to look odd though. So that's a good start. All along, it gives it a bit of protection because there's meant to be rain coming tomorrow. I mean, I need to tend to sort of like these gaps. But like I said, I think I might use some squishy stuff for that, just to push it in. Yeah, brilliant. I do have a smaller paintbrush, but I'd left it at home. So I only had that one, but it did the job. So I'm going to clean that and I'll be back. Have a quick look because it's been 20 minutes because it dries really quickly. Friendship paint. Yeah, that's already dry. Look. It dries so quickly, it's brilliant stuff. Yeah, let's have a little far away. Brilliant. It's the start, so I'm dead chuffed, especially as it's meant to be raining tomorrow. Oh, well, it's going to be a short one, folks. But thank you so much for watching. Oh, I did wonder, would any of you? These are not crossheads, whatever you call them. I can't remember. Straight, whatever. But I can't get them off. They're just. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to get this off. It has an implication for the panelling, you know. Yeah, I'm not sure. That's going to go up next time. I have actually put these up, which is great. That's going to be, what's the word? More paper mache to come, because I obviously need to carry on with the rest of it, etc. So, but it's progress. At least if it rains, that stuff is protected, and I think I will use some sealant in any gaps that form. Just squish it in, because it will maybe give it a bit of flexibility, because paper mache seems to be quite, well, it is very rigid. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.